And the Arkansas Supreme Court orders the Secretary of State's office to count signatures for an abortion rights ballot proposal. Of course, we first brought you this breaking news last night at 10.
Abner Sosa explains why this count will focus only on the signatures collected by volunteers and not any collected by paid canvassers.
On July 5th, the group Arkansans For Limited Government submitted more than 100,000 signatures to the Secretary of State's office. 5 days later, the office rejected the proposal, citing the lack of a statement identifying paid canvassers or confirming they received a state rule handbook. The group filed a lawsuit arguing that counting all signatures would exceed the required 90,704. Without the paid signatures, the group would be almost 3,000 signatures short.
I would like to point out that the reasoning and sort of the pieces of the statute that he has cited, the Secretary of State and the Attorney General have changed a few times. They all sort of refer back to a paperwork error, but the pieces of the statute that he has cited have changed a few times.
Today, the Arkansas Attorney General released a statement saying the group, quote, failed to meet all legal requirements to have the signatures collected by paid canvassers counted, a failure for which they only have themselves to blame. John Thurston's office also released a statement saying, quote, the Secretary of State's office has seen the Arkansas Supreme Court's order and will comply with that directive. After that office counts all the signatures, the group could receive a cure period. It would allow them 30 days to collect more signatures and try to meet the threshold. But they're only able to do that if the signature count stays above 75%, but below the minimum 90,000.
We have people still asking us where they can sign. So if we need a cure period and we need to fix some signatures, we know that there's people out in the state that had not signed the petition already and who are willing to do so and want to do so.
For 4029 News, I'm Abner Sosa.